wrong way to defrost that happens in every kitchen all the time. Breakfast anxiety in the face of frozen beef patty. Wrong soaking and defrosting way not only wastes water, but also prevents you from obtaining nutritious dinners in your busy time. Natural defrosting, long waiting time, and lots of juice. Unable to make healthy and shareable food in a happy party. Long-term natural defrosting leads to bacterial growth, causing health problems. Combining defrosting speed with nutrient locking is a powerful change. I hate waiting defrosting the frozen food. This quick defrosting box allows me to not worry about it anymore. 10-minute quick defrosting technology allows me to enjoy delicious food anytime. NTC Intelligent Plasma Circulation Defrosting and Freshness Recovery Technology preserves the nutrition and juice of food, regardless of any cooking method. Defrosting boxes can keep my food nutritious and juicy. UV sterilization and disinfection to ensure food health. One-click start, no need watching. And defrosting, locking freshness, and sterilization are completed synchronously. Release time and enjoy the joy of cooking. Amazing! I'm surprised that I can finally enjoy perfectly defrosted salmon, shrimp, and sashimi anytime without losing any quality. Beef steak, chicken, or fish and shrimp. All frozen ingredients can defrost in just 10 minutes. This product has changed the rules of the game in my kitchen. It's fast, convenient, and healthy. And it also saves my time. It is very suitable for camping or traveling. I am willing to own this defrosting box because it saves my time and makes cooking easier and more enjoyable.